the database exercise lab on Wednesday, the day after this week. But that is only for the Irwin software. That doesn't require GCP. It's not related to the database directly. So from the next week, when we start the GCP project, you should have your own project. Okay? Until that time, I strongly suggest to practice with this one. It's already uploaded on the Google Drive that I shared. If you do not know what is the address, so you can contact the GA to get the link for the drive, Google Drive. And also, but I'm going to put the video file for each module. So without the video, you can also easily follow the direction, but later I will put the video like this one. That explains. It's less than 10 minutes usually per module. So then using this, you can understand the basic Google Cloud Platform. I'm not going to cover in this class, so we do not have enough time. It's your responsibility to study by yourself. Okay? Any question? If you are coming from the electrical engineering, it's a classroom is smooth. So, any question regarding to the GCP? Yes.
The link.
What did I say? If you lose
yeah.
the link, contact the GA. Okay? Actually, that is also you can find from the database exercise lab document. You can find it anywhere. Okay, then one more thing. So pretty much when you are doing the practice by yourself, sometimes mistakes, the problem, sometimes you don't know whether I need to click this one. Just try before you ask or before you send to me. Okay? Then if messed up, it's totally fine. You can delete and recreate. That's much better to know how it works. Just try. You don't have to be scared or afraid to set up this one. Just try, and then if you mess up, going back, delete everything. Always you do better. If you create anything, database, the instance, anything, you do better clean up after you practice. Unless that is the project or our exercise lab. Even exercise lab, you can recreate anytime you want. So please try, okay? Then get the error, and if you cannot solve the error, just delete and recreate for your practice. So that is my suggestion. And we are able to do our exercise lab and the project using this one. If you do not create, so I know that some of the students are just waiting. I don't think that's a good idea. If you do not create the project until the first exercise lab, there's no way to catch up. One more thing. On Wednesday, we have the first exercise lab for the data model. From this semester, we are not going to use the computer lab. Computer lab already installed our software. It's called Irwin. So software. It's a data modeler we are using. Data modeler to practice ER modeling. Okay, this software is the most popular one for any database project. Even not only the database project, it can be used for any computer project. But since we are using this classroom for your first exercise lab, so you need to install Irwin software by the next class, Wednesday, on your laptop. Okay? There's a free trial you can try. This is a free trial. If you need a licensed one, the UB has the old version license. Okay? So you can contact the GA or you can come by the Professor Omar's office. There are the students who are supporting the IT in the School of Engineering. So if you come by his office, they provide the CD-ROM. It's a licensed one, it's an old version. So I suggest to install the Irwin software on your laptop. It can be used for also your project. So free trial is pretty much enough for educational purpose, unless you are using this one for commercial purpose. If you want to, you can purchase. Even the licensed one, you cannot use it for the commercial version. It's only for educational purpose. So by next week, by next class on Wednesday, please going to the Irwin software site and select the data modeler. The latest version or the previous version is also fine. We are going to use the basic functionality for the ER modeling and instead for free trial. Okay, any question? This should be done by the next class on Wednesday. So today we are going to continue the lecture. Before that, you can turn off. We are going to have the